Hey guys, what's going on? Good morning. Good morning. It's Ronnie at Stock Sniper Trading. We're going to be trading the New York session. Today we got a couple red folders in the US at 8:30. So guys, welcome everybody. It's 8 a.m. Eastern. Gold, massive drop. We were trading last night during Tokyo session in our Zoom room for over 4 hours. We caught the gold drop when it started. For those that held, congrats. But yeah, guys. So right now, just looking 8 a.m. open, we might get a little bit of bullish momentum. There is some bullish divergence on the charts here. So let me just get ready, and then we'll do our top down. We'll see where this break started, and we'll get started, guys. So just one moment. Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. See what I mean by some quick bullish divergence? We've got price coming down right here. Price coming down, and if you look at RSI is from here to here. See it making a move coming up. Okay, a little bit. Okay, we'll see. So it might just get a little bit of a bounce there, but we'll see. Maybe this can start to move a little bit, but we need it to engulf this and start to come back up. But before we get into all of this, we got to do our top down. Let's go to top down. We're gonna go to dailies. Okay, daily candles. If you want to follow me on the charts, guys, I'm on TradingView. I'm looking at gold, XAU, USD, daily candlesticks, individual candlesticks. See the big sell. So right there, when we lost support right there, 1787, guys, we shouldn't be surprised about that drop. We've been looking at this all week. Okay, and last night's Zoom session, we caught it when it broke. We went for 4 hours last night in our Zoom session, from 9 p.m. Till almost 1 in the morning. So it was a good session, guys. Welcome everybody. Who do we got here? Rita, welcome. Zav, welcome. Duran Studios, welcome. Farhad, welcome. Pablo, Edward, welcome. Yeah, screw gold. If you're on the wrong end of gold, yeah, it can be nasty, but just follow it. Follow the volume, guys. Um, Gold is melting today. We'll see. Hopefully, we get in a little earlier. Let's see. So morning, everybody. If I don't get to you guys, good morning, everybody. Good evening. Good night, wherever you guys are around the world. Welcome. But let's get started charting. Okay. So this is the daily. That's why we dropped right there. That was the big daily, right there. We lost all of that daily support right there. So I go yellow for mine, and I have the 200-day moving average. That's what this line is. Okay. Um, so today, where did we get up to? 1796 today. And what was today's low? How low have we gone to today? Right here, 1770. So we're coming down to here. August 16, we tapped it, we came down. If we break today below 1770, we're gonna come possibly right here, guys, maybe 1760 area. Okay, could possibly come down there. Okay, we got a big strong bearish candle coming down. We got that news coming today, so we'll see what happens. It could flip, go back up, or continue driving down. Hourly candles, real quick. Let's see the hourly candles. Okay, so look, it just a breakdown. Okay, breaking down. This was the big breakdown. Okay, right here, big break, started going down. It consolidated a little bit, came up, pulled back up to here, 1796, and got rejected. Coming down, consolidating a little bit sideways, then getting dropped down. Another pause candle right in here, pull back, drop. Here's another. This could be another green pause candle, and then they drop it even more. So areas on these 1 hours that we need to look for is right here, 1778 area. Okay, so I'm going to change that to white for hourly support and resistance. So if we lose now this support, 1770, where was our last 1 hour candles below here? Right over here. Okay, so before we get down to that daily support, 1758, we're going to have a few pit stops. Here's one where we're going to stop. 1764, guys. Okay. Okay, and we're in a deep downtrend on the hourly. We can all see that the hour candles are making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Okay, so the bias is gold is in a downtrend. It's very visually, you can see that. Okay, it doesn't take a scientist to see this. You can see it's in a downtrend. These are the 5-minute candles now. So if I just get some 5-minute levels, okay, we got some good resistance right in here. Okay, that's where it traded sideways. Then they dumped it. Do we see any areas here of some like consolidation? Let's see. Okay, so we have this area right now. Okay, see how they just brought it up? They brought it up, that bullish candle, and then right back down. So it could consolidate in this range right in here. We're leading into 8:30 where we're going to get that red folder news. So maybe they can just keep the price sideways for a little bit until it wants to make its move. So what we're going to look for is we're going to look for a push on gold above this area. If we can get above here, then maybe we're going to look for possible buy up here, take it back up to here, and maybe back up to this area. Okay, 1780 area. If we can get up there, that would be nice. And then also if they want to keep pushing this thing down, if we lose that daily support down at the bottom here, okay? Hopefully everyone's having a good morning, guys. I got a little bit of sleep. We were doing that Tokyo session. It was fun, guys. I didn't even want to stop last night. It was awesome. Okay, guys. So, and then I look left on my 5 minutes. Look at gold on the 5 minutes. We haven't been down here in a long time. So I have to go to a higher time frame to see below 1770 where we could possibly go on this. So if I go to my 15-minute chart, you see the last time gold was below 1770 right over here. What's the date? When were we here last? Okay, so this was August 13. August 13. Whew. Big drop from there to there. Okay, big drop. So what I like to do in this, I like to cut this candle in half. Okay, I like to get 50% of it right there. Okay, that gives me an idea of where this thing can go. Okay. Okay, so this is the news, guys. If you guys are unaware, we're going to have this news coming out. 8:30 a.m. We got this Canadian news, but this is more important. USD core retail sales month over month. USD retail sales month over month. We got some Philly Fed manufacturing, and then we got unemployment claims. So we got 4 folders, 2 orange, 2 red. Retail sales, guys. We're going to see. Are Americans spending money going out, or what's going on in the pandemic and things like that? So we'll see. This affects the US dollar. US dollar affects gold, affects everything. The US 30, Nasdaq, everything will be affected by what the outcome of the news coming up. Okay. So good morning, everybody. Wow, 150 viewers already. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you guys. If I can get you guys just to like the channel, guys, it helps with trending. Here we go. This is an impulse break going down. Okay, so we just targeted this area. That's the daily low. That's today's low, 1770. And now we're breaking. Okay, so it's continuing to break. See that trend line I had set for the RSI, it just broke it. Okay, so that's why we're not getting in any. That was kind of like a big bullish candle come right back up here, and then continuing with the lower highs and the pressure coming down. Okay, so this is just an impulse candle, guys. Okay, so it could come down and go right back into this zone, but wow, they're continuing to push this down. Okay, so gold is very bearish right now. So if we're looking for buys, we are completely counter trading a bearish market right now, like bearish gold. Okay, if not, we can sit back, we can relax, we can have this charted, and then we'll wait for news to come out at 8:30, and we'll see what happens. If this rotates back up, we could look for potential reversal on gold, or if this is going to continue to hammer down, guys, we could get ready to hammer this down. But right now, I just want to watch this candle, how it's going to close. I'm not falling for any fake outs down here. I'm just going to watch how this candle closes. It's going to close in about 10 seconds. Okay, so see how they closed it now? Okay, closed right at that level, okay, right at that critical level, 1770, the daily support. They brought it right back up. Now we could be moving up here, okay? So again, we'll target this area up here if they can get it. If we can get some buying volume, if we can get some buyers on gold back up to here, guys, 1773 area, okay? Okay, so I'm also going to chart, guys, US 30. Okay, so I'm going to go to US 30 real quick so we're ready for everything. US 30, what has it been doing? Okay, it's been coming down, lower lows, lower highs on the 5 minutes. But let's go to the daily real quick, get some levels. Okay, and I only spend a few minutes here on daily. I'm not going to spend all day here. But for all the daily traders out there, if you guys are out there, the daily traders, swing position traders, you see all this consolidation on the daily. Okay, so eventually there's going to be a breakout up here if it goes bullish, or we're going to have a breakdown bear. So if you're daily trading, this is the area you want to identify. There's a lot of accumulation distribution in here, and one of these days we're going to get a break below here, and it's going to come down, or it's going to go up, or it's just going to trade sideways in here. You're getting barcode consolidation. This is accumulation, red, green, all in this area. It's very, very tight in there, but a move is going to eventually happen on these markets. So right there, it's safe to say we got daily support. We have daily upper resistance right up here. And today's candle, what has it been doing? Okay, so we got down to, how low did we get down to? 34,757. And what is our high today? Right here. 34,874. Okay, beautiful. That's all I kind of need to see. If we come down, we'll possibly come down here. If it breaks again bearish, we're going to come down to 34,500 on US 30 if we continue going bearish. Okay, hourly levels. Let's see if we can see on the hour chart. Is there any areas that we need to really identify? Yes, here's an area to identify. This was our hourly resistance right here. One more area is right here. Okay, so one more area right there, 34,800, 798, like right at that psychological level right there. Okay, so that's good enough. Now I can see we're in an hourly downtrend. I'm using this as support. It's breaking down now, so it's coming down. Now it's resistance now, coming down on the hourly. Okay, so let's go to the 5 minutes, try to see if we can see any trade ideas. Okay, so this is the 5 minute chart, guys. Okay, so up here on US 30, I can see that we have big resistance. So what we can say up here is we have strong supply up here. Okay, this area is a supply zone up there. Okay, every time the price gets up there, it gets rejected, comes up 1, 2, 3 times, rejected. Then we come down here, we create a new lower high over here. Okay, so we have a new lower high. This now is a new supply zone right over here. So I'll get rid of this, so I don't have too much business. But what I'm showing you is here's a supply zone up here. Okay, so this is a supply zone. Then it got rejected, came back down. This was a demand zone down here. It just went down. Okay, so this was previous good support right here. We just lost it on the 5 minutes. Okay, coming down. Here's one more level. This yellow line, guys, is a 200-day moving average. Now the price is below it on the 5 minutes, okay? So we could be coming down here. We're getting a little bit of support right here. And then this is my next area of, right here, we could see price get down to here. Okay, so we got a lot of indecision down here too at US 30, okay? It could be coming up. What I could be looking for on this pair is if we can get above this area, okay, we could potentially look for a buy up in this area. I'm gonna look for that psychological level, 34,800 right now. But I'll move the price action I'll move this box according to the price action if I want, okay, up to here. And then if it continues to go bearish, then we could look for a push down, coming back down. This could just be a little small pullback. And then we could look for a push down with volume coming down here, closing, and then back down to this area. And then when I look left, I can see exactly where it could possibly go to. Right here. And right here for now, okay? So this is US 30. Welcome everybody. Sorry guys, I couldn't get to the chat. 200 viewers, amazing guys. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. I'm just doing some charting. Welcome everybody. Okay guys, so that's US 30. We're going to keep an eye on this level. I'm going to put an alert here guys. Let's just see here. Okay, so I'll go to gold guys. Let's check out gold. Okay, look at gold. Oh, damn. Okay, so gold is not coming up. Okay, it continues to come down. It wants to continue to come down. It just touched down 1767 down here. Okay, so it's coming down a little further. I didn't get in on this one, but we're 13 minutes away from the news, guys. So if you don't feel comfortable taking a trade right now, just relax. Relax because the volatility will be coming, okay? If you're in a sell and you're holding, that's a different story. If you're in and you're up quite a bit from this big dump from last night, that's different. But if you're just getting in, you're not in a trade right now, let's relax. And then we'll trade. We'll see the news, guys. We'll see. There's going to be some crazy volatility, guys. So be ready for 8:30. Be ready for when we get to 9:30. There's going to be some heavy volatility, guys. Okay. So when you're trading, doesn't matter what you're trading, do not over leverage your accounts. Use small lot sizes that will not destroy your account, guys. Be smart. Yeah, guys, there's nothing wrong with relaxing, just relax, let's let the trades come to us. We don't need to force anything. We know that there's going to be major news coming in 12 minutes. We don't need to just start rushing into a trade because we don't know the direction it's going to go. Okay, we don't know what the numbers are going to come out on the Forex Factory. We have no idea. Okay, but we're gonna have news coming out, and it's big news here. Red folder, core retail sales. Their previous was minus 0.4%. The forecast is negative 0.1%. We'll see what the actual number is. Same with the retail sales. Okay, and this will affect our US dollar DXY. DXY is our US dollar. It's pumping. Look at our US dollar looking good. Okay. It's pumping right now, okay? Look at it, got over its major resistance right here, okay? So we had major resistance right here at 92.80, and it's going over it, okay? So there it goes. The US dollar is strong. If you're trading GBPUSD, get ready to look at it, it's coming down. GBPUSD, Euro USD short, GBPJPY short, Nasdaq. I'll get to Nasdaq too. We'll chart Nasdaq, guys. Let's chart Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq as well. It's 5 minutes. I can clearly see. Okay, it's in a clear downtrend. My bias is bearish. It's making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. But just to get just a daily level, just so we know where we're at in here. This is NAS 100, guys, real quick. Okay, look, if we can engulf this green candle, then it's gonna go down. Okay, but watch also how these daily candles close. Okay, it's consolidating right in here, but we're bearish today. It's coming down. We just got to engulf this, and then it could go down. Okay, so let's see on the hourly candles how it's coming down. Okay, so the hourly candles, they're coming up to resistance right here, this yellow line. Maybe I should change this so it's a different color, guys, so you don't get confused. Let's go purple for my 200A EMA, okay? So the purple line up here, that's a 200A EMA, exponential moving average. So even our 1 hour candles are below it, okay? So we're coming down. Is there any levels that we need to see here? Here's one level. This is a good support level. If we can come down to here on Nasdaq, that's our hourly support right in here. See here, this used to be resistance. Now it can act as support down here, 15,430. Next area is right up here, okay? Okay, so 5 minutes now. Let's get our charts ready. Okay, so I'm identifying now some key areas on the 5 minutes, supports, resistance, things like that. See how tight it's getting? It's coiling up in here. There's lots of consolidation down there. Okay, it's getting ready for news. Going to make a move. So when I see a type of action like this, price action, I don't trade inside here. I box this in. Okay, and then what I'm looking for is either the break above. Okay, so we're going to see it. Can we push up above here? Not just like impulse, also with volume to close above this area. Maybe we can come back up to the 200 and maybe to this hourly resistance. 15,470. That could be like a 20 pip move coming up. Okay, at this level right up here. 15,450 area, 452. Okay, now we're breaking down. Here it comes down. This is just few minutes before we get that news coming out. Okay, so just look left. There, it's dropping. Where can this thing drop to? Could go right here. That's exactly where it visited. Then down to here, and the next one it could come down to is right over here. Okay, Nasdaq. Okay, I'm not getting into any trades right now. Just a few minutes before the red folders. But you can see it's coming down. Okay. Normally I would have like a sell order right in this area, but before news, I'm going to relax right now, guys. I don't want to get faked out where it comes down and then they rotate it right back up on news. So I'll let it do what it wants to do until we're ready, guys. Yeah, Erzan, if it breaks a supply level, that supply will be demand. Demand is the same as support, okay? So yes, you're absolutely correct. No, I'm not in a trade right now. No, no. Shorting crude oil, nice. Yeah, crude oil hit some highs up there. Okay, guys, so we're going to look at gold for 8:30 open. Okay, so gold is getting a little bit of buying volume down there. We're getting a little bullish, okay? We got 1 minute, guys. 1 minute to our new 5-minute candle. And then, guys, we're going to be close to 8:30, guys, so be ready. So thank you, everyone. 310 viewers, guys. Thank you so much for joining me for New York Red Folders, guys. I appreciate all of you guys. If I can just get you guys to like the channel, please. If you guys are getting good value out of this, help trend. It helps other people in their playlists. YouTube recommends it. If people are looking for free education for Forex, for live trading, things like that. If people need this, then we can find them and we can grow this channel together. I think we're over 4,300 subscribers, which is amazing, guys. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and help grow the channel, guys, and then we'll give you more and more and more on YouTube. Last night we did with our snipers in our Zoom room. We went 3-4 hours last night. It was a nice session, guys. If you want to join the sniper team, we would love to have you guys on our mentorship team. You can go to www.stocksnipertrading.com, our website, and you can sign up there for $1 a day. It's limited time for $29.99 a month. We're growing really fast, guys, and it's a great team, guys, like a family. Lots of education, lots of earning, everything. It's fun. Big buy coming up. What do I think? I'll let the candles talk. I let the candles talk to me. My opinion means nothing, guys. Honestly, my opinion, your opinion means nothing. What they want to do with the market makers will decide what they want to do regardless. So my opinion means nothing. We got to follow technicals. We got to follow the price action. We got to follow the volume. That's what we'll talk. But if they want to continue to drop gold, they can continue dropping it. If they want to reverse it a little bit, to correct it a little bit, they can pull it up. But as my opinion means nothing. My opinion on the stock market on US 30, I'm bearish on the market. I think the market really needs to correct itself. US 30, yes, I'm bearish on this. Like even on the dailies, like if you ask me for the US 30, um, I think these markets need to cool off. I'm watching these daily candles. I'm watching what's going on the week. If we can come down and start to engulf this and then break below here, then we could see a really nice market correction coming for US 30, because this is like the neckline right here. We're just hanging on by these little wicks right here at 34,500. If we lose that, then it could really come down to all the way down to 34,000. That could be a big 1,000 pip move coming down. Okay, so on US 30, my bias is bearish, but who knows? These markets are insane. I don't even know. So that's why I like scalping 5-minute candles. I can come in, get in, get out, get my pips, dip. Regardless what the markets are doing, overall bias and things like that. My thoughts on Euro USD, guys, very simple. If the DXY is pumping, if we have strength on the US dollar, Euro USD is dropping, bearish. Okay, look at it dropping right there. You could have Euro USD, you could have seen the 5-minute support break right there. You could have got in and just broke another support right there. That was an easy trade right there. You could have picked up nice pips right there. Just follow also the US 30, the DXY. US dollar is our market mover. It shows everything. Okay, guys, so we're 2 minutes away from 8:30. Let's get ready, guys. Roll up your sleeves. Time to get dirty down here. How about German 30? I like German 30 for London session. I don't have time to do German 30 right now. I apologize. We just charted gold, US 30, Nasdaq. We got major news coming now. So I don't want to be flip-flopping 10, 20 different pairs during red folder news, guys. We got to focus on a few charts, and that's how we do it here. Okay. Thank you, bro. I like that, Alex. Lucky Alex. You're honestly a gem, brother. You're well appreciated. You too, bro. You're well appreciated too. Sir, do I have a microphone in my eyes? I have no idea what you're talking about, bro. Why would I have a fucking microphone in my eyes? Guys, come on. Good questions. Okay, so gold, guys. Here we go. 45 seconds away from fireworks, okay? And guys, be careful from fake outs, okay? What I mean by fake outs is they could take the market one direction, make it look like it's going to go, then they pin it, and then they reverse it, and then it goes the opposite direction, okay? Okay, so for gold, guys, keep gold. Let's go to gold, okay? So US 30, gold, let's get ready. Here we go, okay? So 1770, let's watch this area if we can break above there. And then our next pop could be 1773, okay? Here we go. Okay, so they're dropping it, okay? Flash red, okay? It's early, guys. It's only 5-10 seconds into the candle, okay? Wow. Wow. If someone can please see the Forex Factory and let me know the numbers when they're released. Okay, so it came down to our hourly support right here, 1764. It's getting rejected a little bit. Okay, we got a rejection. Spreads are going high right now. Okay, so careful, guys. Watch your spreads too when you're trading this time. US 30 just hits an area, guys. I just want to stick with this. US 30. US 30, guys, just broke our area right here. Okay, US 30 is pumping. Oh, man. Forex Factory crashed. Are you serious? Oh, that's not good. They crashed on NFP too last time. Fabio, gold is gonna tank. What do you got? Okay, so if it loses 1765, guys, gold is gonna drop. Man, our next daily area is right here. Wow, 1759, 1760 area. Okay, we got 3 minutes still left on the candle. Okay, so they're still shorting this. Guys, for all you RSI guys out there, the RSI on the 5 minutes is at 11 and a half. 11 and a half, okay? So you can see, don't get trapped by looking just at RSI down here, thinking that it's gonna, if they want to drop this thing, it doesn't matter for RSI. RSI can come down to 0 if it wants, okay? David, core retail sales month over month plus 1.8%. Is that what it is? I don't even. Yeah, I can't even get an update on Forex Factory, guys. That's not good. That's not going to help. So, guys, we're going to trade now price action, okay? If we can't see the numbers, we're going to trade price action, okay? So it came down 1764. Let's get ready, guys. We could see maybe a reversal coming up. Good numbers for dollar, okay? Okay, so the dollar came up, but now it's getting rejected. Nasdaq is coming back into this zone. Let's watch this volume. If it can close above 15,450, that will be good for maybe a possible extension play. So keep an eye, guys, on there. US 30 is just that's a beast. Okay, just broke right through 1801, 801 right here. Next, broke through our supply zone and came right here. We missed it. That would have been I missed that one. My fault there. Damn, I was watching this gold. Cormac, you're long on gold already. Yeah, it could reverse, but we need to look for a better entry. We can't buy on a bearish candle. Okay, we gotta wait till we see a little bit of support somewhere where it rotates back up, maybe consolidates, then it pushes up. But you know, don't just buy just because you see RSI at 11, 12. Okay, but if you're long is different. Okay, we're scalping here. What would have been the reason for the US 30 entry? Right here, popping above 34,800, that area I just targeted right there. But this is the impulse candle still. That's an impulse break. Like, it's a serious candle. 801 up to here, you're talking almost 60 pips, okay? So that's a big candle. But now what we got to do is we got to wait for, if we miss that, we got to wait for the continuation candle. What's going to happen with it, okay? Is it going to continue driving, or is it going to start to reverse? I know, Joseph, I can open multi, but then you guys won't see nothing. You guys will not see nothing. If I open multi charts, you guys won't even see anything. It'll be so small, you guys won't even know what's going on. Okay, so we just closed up there. This is the continuation candle going up on right here. Okay. Okay, so we got a new 5-minute candle on gold as well. Wow, they're still dropping gold. Unbelievable, guys. Okay. No, no, I'm not going to open multi windows, guys. You guys will not see you won't see anything. Um, Gold is bleeding. Yeah, Ashley, you are completely right about that. It's been bleeding since last night, since we did the London session. Alex, what's up, my man? Back from Abu Dhabi, my man. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Joseph, you're asking me, do you get in gold now? No, there's no indication to that gold is going up. Look at it bleeding. Why would you want to be a buyer here? Never buy into like a red candle falling. We need confirmation. We need to see at least some support somewhere. This thing has absolutely no support. Okay, I'm waiting to see if it can come down to maybe this daily area, 1760, and then we get some support down here. Amazing, Ashley made 500 overnight. That's incredible. Oh, gold as a short position. If you want to continue to short gold down here, like you might be behind on the party big time because gold's been dropping from 1780. It's almost 170 pips down. But if you want to continue shorting gold, guys, I'm not here to tell you guys to buy and sell. You guys do what you got to do. I'm here just to provide some analysis. I'm trading with you guys, but I'm not looking to short gold here and continue. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna patiently wait for some support and then see maybe I will catch a reversal, and that's what I'm trying to do with gold. But I'm not shorting this thing down here for extra entries. Okay, so let's go. Let's see something else while gold. See, okay, so US 30 came up to 34,855, rejected, rejected. Now it's coming down. Okay, so we could get US 30 cooling off down here now. Crazy, crazy markets today, guys. Okay, so did Forex Factory freeze? What is going on here? Okay, here are the numbers, okay? Unemployment red again, wow. Okay, so not too bad. Core retail green, green. Okay, so good. That's good for the US dollar, okay? So we got good news. US dollar, there it goes. See, the news comes out, US dollar. If you guys are in GBPUSD, dumping. Euro USD, dumping. GBP JPY, it's pumping now. Okay, good British news. Nasdaq is just indecision, guys. Let's just leave it like that. Believe me, we'll pick this up, or come 9:30, we'll catch it. We'll catch the moves. But right now, consolidation, long range indecision. Just stay away from trading stuff like this. Okay, finally, okay, a little bit of an indecision. Come on, give me a wick down here. Okay, so we got a little bit of support on the 5 minutes right here at 1762. Okay, on gold. Believe me, guys, I want to catch a reversal here too. And the spreads are all over the place with volatility, guys. Okay, you can see that how the spreads really open up. Okay, so we're starting to turn into like maybe a spin top candle. Hopefully we can turn into a pin bar, a bullish pin bar. We can get this volume. I want to see the volume close above 1764, 1765 area up here. If we can get it up there, because that's the hourly resistance, if we can get it above there, then maybe we can start to push up. But this thing is continuing to come down, guys. So don't catch a falling knife, guys. Don't catch a falling knife, Don't just buy just because you see RSI at 12. Means nothing. Means nothing. Okay, we're going to trade price action. Look, again, they're testing the low of this candle. They want to bring it down also further down to here. It could touch this yellow line, 1759. This is my daily support, okay? We have to at least get a little bit of a bounce down here if it drops down to 1759. Okay, go on a higher time frame. Let's see what's going on. 15-minute candle. Oh my goodness, look how bearish that candle is, okay? 15-minute candle is coming. Look at the 15-minute RSI at 10, guys. No regard for RSI right now, okay? This is just falling, okay? If you're shorting, congratulations, guys. Just continue to follow the lower lows, lower highs. Ride your profits as low as you can go, okay? I wish I held from last night, guys. Look at where I shorted it last night, guys. That was the US. We started at 1795. We caught the initial break on gold, guys, at 1795 last night. Up here during our Tokyo session. It was all the way up here. It was we caught the where it started. Man, I wish I held all night. Okay, guys, we're starting to get a little bit of buyers down here, okay? So let's watch for a possible push above this hourly resistance area, okay? Maybe we can push up to here. Okay, number one, we've got to try and get up to there. Yeah, Mohammed, gold is melting, 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 melting. Okay, so what I want to see is for a buy, guys, for a buy, I want to see price action come into this area, not just fake out. I want to see it close with some volume up here, maybe a retest here, and maybe we can take it up to here. Maybe it could push eventually back up to this next daily resistance, 1770, you know? Maybe we can look for something like that, okay? But indecision. As long as we can get some consolidation down here, then maybe we can start building a little bit of momentum down here. But man, if it breaks down here, this thing is dropping even further. And where can it drop down to? There's my next, that's the daily the daily support right here, 1759 area. That's the next daily support. This thing is just breaking every support level you can think of. Okay, so while this is happening, let's go to US 30. Oh man, US 30 is just a dog here. Okay, it broke out of here. It's continuing to move up a little bit, okay? Alex, what's up, bro? Morley Bias, welcome. I know you're at work, bro. Okay, what do you guys think? Is gold gonna reverse today, or are we gonna continue going bearish? Oh my goodness. Like this is guys, if you're shorting gold, just continue to write it down. Look at, you're just seeing lower lows and lower highs, okay? So you guys are just writing the pips down. You know, everything is very bearish. Look at the biases, like continuing bearish. We're pulling up and sellers are just pushing this down. I might even get into selling gold now. Rhythm, gold needs to go down more? Oh my god. Okay, so what we could see here, hopefully, I want to see some consolidation in this range. Maybe it can just cool off in here, and then we can start to pick up some momentum. But this thing is ridiculous. Like the selling pressure is so strong. So even if we do look for buys, remember guys, we're counter trading, okay? So we're counter trading a heavy downtrend. So if we go up 10, 20, 30 pips, you know, look to take profits, because it could just be a pullback and then selling pressure will come in and hammer this down. You can see how from like 1800 how this thing's been dropping, okay? So Just careful, guys, when you're trading this type of momentum, this type of bearish pressure coming down. It still wants to come down even further. Oh my goodness. Okay. Abdul, you have a friend from 1800 shorting with 5 lots. That's heavy, man. That's good. Congrats to him. That's a big bag he just made. Okay, guys, I'm gonna look at it something else. Okay, because I'm not shorting gold down there. Let's look at Nasdaq. Okay, so Nasdaq, it's consolidating in here. We could possibly look for maybe a push down on Nasdaq coming down in this area. Okay. Nasdaq is moving different from US 30, guys. Okay, they're two completely different indices. Okay. But okay, so here we have that critical 5-minute resistance, and then up here we have daily 34,873. So we can possibly see this thing coming down now. Got a shooting star candle coming down. DXY affects everything, guys. The US dollar affects everything. It'll affect gold, US 30, Nasdaq, GBPUSD, Euro USD, USD CAD. It affects everything, okay? The US dollar is pretty much pegged against everything. Abdulaziz, I know, bro. We left our short from 1795, man. Wow. Last night we were trading Tokyo. We caught the initial break on gold when this entire thing started. Like that was a sniper entry at 1795. But yeah, we didn't hold it. We just got excited for 20, 30, 40, 50 pips, you know? Okay, so gold, can we find a bottom on this thing? Come on, give us a bottom. It might have to come down and touch this daily area, 1759, before we get some strong buying momentum. Okay, just keep an eye. That's our daily support right here. Okay, 1759 area. If it has to come down to touch down there before we find some nice buyers down there, we might have to wait. I want to see if US 30 can come back down into this area. Okay. I think I think a lot of gold bulls. You're saying gold bulls are scared right now. I think everyone is scared right now. You know, these markets are nuts right now. Monthly support on gold. You guys are going all the way down there. Yeah, this right at the monthly support here. Yeah, if it breaks, guys, we can come down. Wow, we're gonna lose 1750. We'll come down to possibly 1730 on gold on the month. I like to do more weekly to see where the weekly is. Okay, so these are weekly candles, guys. Weekly candles. Okay, so you can see this line like right here is we just broke like the weekly support, guys. Like here, if we get 1762, 1760, and then look at the next weekly candles coming down to here. We could drop down to 1750, guys, like on in the next few days if this continues this momentum down. Look at this daily candle. This is nasty. Look at this thing. As soon as it lost this support, look at gold just dropping, okay? So it could come down to here. Next area it's going to come down to is 1752 right here. That's my next area of support on the daily right there. 1752. 1750 is the psychological level, okay? Okay, so we're starting to get a little bit of consolidation. That's what we need, okay? So we're starting to get a little bit of momentum here, but let's keep an eye up on here for the break above there for gold. 1760, just below 1765. Yeah, guys, thank you, guys. Thanks for the likes, everything. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you, everything, guys. Okay, so now gold is rotating back up, okay? And guys, always check your spreads too, because spreads get a little bit wonky, okay? If you guys are buying, like if you guys want to get in buys, if you guys are think it's going to reverse, then just keep your stop loss. You could put your stop loss below daily support down here. You could put it below 5-minute support. That's all up to you guys. Okay, look at the US 30. It's tapping our daily resistance up here. Oh my God. Okay, US 30 is a monster. No, I'm not in a trade right now. I'm not in a trade right now. No. Okay, but it is rotating back up a little bit, okay? But this is a key area. I want to see if it can break above, okay? If not, this will just rotate right back up here, and then you'll get a bearish engulfing candle come right back down, okay? This is patience, guys. What time is it? So it's almost 9 a.m., okay? So at 9 a.m., guys, we're going to get a new 1-hour candle, okay? So, and then remember, guys, 9:30, we have the Wall Street open. So we could get more volatility coming at 9:30, okay? So we'll see how the stock market digests all this news, okay? US 30? Let's see, US 30. So US 30 just tapped our, right there, daily resistance, 34,874. It wants to break above it, okay? If it breaks above, guys, it's going to come up to here. It's going to come up to 886, and then the next high wick is right here. Possibly right there, 34,900, exactly, okay? That's where it wants to go. Okay, so if you're in US 30, guys, your next take profit is 34,885, then look for 34,900, okay? What a break, what a break. Man, we should have been on US 30 at the open. Why did we waste our time with gold? Nasdaq, guys, is coming into here, okay? So get ready. Nasdaq wants to pump too, okay? So Nasdaq, the area that I identified for you guys, 15,452 right here, okay? So this is still the impulse candle breaking out, okay? But what we got to do is 55 seconds left on this candle. Let's watch the volume close. If it can close above here, we got to retest, and maybe Nasdaq wants to move up too. We start streaming 8 a.m. Eastern every day, Monday to Friday. 8 a.m. Eastern. Okay, so gold, come on, get some life here. Okay, so this is kind of the retest candle. It opened bearish, coming down to retest down here. And then if it holds and goes up, then we know it's holding support with that volume. But if not, it's going to break and come right back into this zone. Okay, so this is what the retest candle is. Just got to be patient with these things, okay? So US 30 pushed away from that, got rejected at that daily resistance. If we can start to go bearish and come back down and engulf this candle, then maybe we'll see a little bit of a correction on the US 30 coming down. Gold is doing absolutely nothing, just consolidating right in this box here. Not much, okay? So it's cooling off. This could be a bear flag pattern where it's coming down, cool off, and continue going down, guys. This breaks here, I swear, it's going to come down to 1759, test that daily support. Okay, so Nasdaq, no buy entry. See how it's getting bearish engulfed, coming back down in here. Okay, so no entry there. That was just an impulse break. Look at US dollar. US dollar is pumping today, guys, okay? So the US dollar is pumping, guys. We might come up to that psychological level 93, okay? That's going to be a big area to test for the US dollar, 93. Super Data Wolf, I can't see everyone's question. What are you asking here? Is 9 a.m. candle that important, or is um, every candle is important, especially hourly candles. Those are, but 9:30, that not the candle at 9:30, that session. That's the New York Stock Exchange equities market. That's Wall Street Open. That is a very important session, 9:30 a.m. But every single hourly candle is very important. That's the start of a new hour. Okay, so but 9:30 a.m. that's a session, Wall Street Open. That is a very important session. That's why we get that volatility. It's not because it's 9:30 a.m. It's because it's the Wall Street Open. Okay, so hopefully I answered your question there. And guys, I apologize if I can't see all of your questions, guys. I'm trying to do a few things here, you know. So I apologize, guys. Okay, so gold. I have a feeling that gold is going to come down to touch our daily support down here, and then we can get some confirmation. Okay, is it going to hold? Are we going to get some buyers down here on gold? Where are the gold buyers at? Like, what's going on? Are they all sleeping? You know, like, where are they at? That's all that was. That little tiny pullback. You know, that's what I mean, guys. Don't always just buy because RSI is at 10, 11, 12. It could be just a little tiny pullback, and then they hammer it down with a bearish engulfing candle. You know, they trap you. Okay, so that's why I'm not getting into any buy until I see volume close above this key area, because that's what could happen. They pull you in, and then they just hit you down with a bearish engulfing candle. Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq is coming back into our area up here. Nasdaq, very nice. Okay, nice recovery. Came down bearish. We're back in. It's a spin top candle, but the volume is still above this area now, 452. So we could push up. You got resistance right here, 457. If you get up above there, Nasdaq can come up to 463, then possibly our hourly area 470 up here. Guys, if you want to buy Nasdaq, it's all up to you, guys. It's all up to you to do your analysis when to buy. I'm telling you what's going on with the volume, but that's your decision, what you guys want to do up there, okay? What do I think of gold? If you've been with us on this entire call, gold is bearish. Gold is bearish. We are waiting for a pullback, but we're not getting it. Until I get some volume to close, it's right here. Do you guys not see my chart? 1764.79, this area. I'm looking for volume to get above there. Look at it. This thing is just bearish. It's going to tap down here. I just told you guys. We're going to come down to possibly 1759. Test maybe down here, this daily support, before we can even consider reversing. But these wicks are telling me something. Rejection wick, rejection wick, rejection wick. As long as they can get this volume to close back in this box, that's a good positive sign for a gold reversal, bullish. Okay. Even US 30, it's tapping the daily high up here. Wants to break there. Crazy markets today. Welcome to the markets. And guys, we have a new hourly candle opening up. It's 9 a.m. Okay, so that's what this extended push could be on gold right now, coming down. A new hourly candle. But let's see here. Oh my goodness, 1759. If it breaks this daily support, holy shit. Okay, so Nasdaq is pushing, guys. Nasdaq is pushing. Okay, so we had our volume close. It came down here, picked up supply, picked up liquidity, came back in here, but now it's a bearish candle. We got to hold this area. It's got to hold here again. Got to hold. Maybe it wants to retest here again and then come right back up. But the markets are real wild, guys. Sometimes, guys, if you're not sure, just sit back and relax. Just sit back and relax. That's, don't force trades that you're not sure about. Okay, so we're coming right down here. This is our daily support. So if you guys don't understand what I mean by my daily support, if you go to your daily candles on gold, right here, these are the daily candles. See right here? So this one, back here, August 6th, that wick, that low on August 6th is what we're coming down to retest. Right there. If we break there, we're coming down to here, to these candles. August 11, 12, and 13. The continuation of the volume right there. That will be 1752. Then we have 1750. That's our psychological level. If we lose 1750, then gold is going to drop down to 1742. 1742. Okay? So you can see 1760, 1752, 1750 is the psychological level, and then you lose that, it's dropping to 1742. So this is a heavy bearish daily candle coming down. It's hard to fight that. Okay, you either trade with the trend, you go bearish with it, or if you want to counter trade, this is what you got. You got to be very careful counter trading. Look at it, just gave you those two little pullback candles, and then they hammered it down, guys. Okay, so this, when you're counter trading, you have to have confirmation when you're counter trading, guys. If not, we just play US 30 and Nasdaq, guys. US 30 just wants to go bullish here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so Nasdaq, see how it came down bearish again. So it's holding this area, guys, okay? So Nasdaq is telling us a little bit something. Every time it comes down to 450 here, 451, it's holding, it's holding, it's holding. So Nasdaq looks like it wants to continue to move bullish. Okay, it's holding. It's indecision, not the best candle, but it came down and tested and held again. New candle is going to open in about 3 seconds, and then we could hopefully we get some continuation coming back up here. So if you're in the Nasdaq buy, we're watching to see if we can break these wicks. We're getting rejection, rejection, rejection. If we can get some nice volume to break above these wicks, then we're going to head up to this 200-day moving average, this purple line, 15,465, and then back up to our hourly resistance right up here. Yeah, some guys like I like what you said, bad boy. Like you said, sometimes just leave gold alone. Don't fight gold. So that's the thing, guys. If you're not shorting, like for example, if you're not in the short from anywhere from 1790, 1780, 1770, 70, if you're not in that short, if you're looking for the reversal, don't just push it, don't rush it, relax. If some days you got to leave gold alone. Some days when it's how do you fight this RSI? It's down to 10. It's been down to 10 for the past hour. Like, I guarantee you there's retail traders trying to buy gold right now and they're getting smashed. They keep dropping it. So sometimes, guys, just understand what the price action is doing and don't force trades, okay? Now it's coming down to our daily support. If we don't get any buying momentum here, then this thing is just going to drop. It's going to drop. Yeah, you don't FOMO on gold. Never. Gold will leave you right behind. Okay, so US 30 now is really starting to correct itself here. Okay, so it's getting rejected at the daily resistance. Rejected, rejected, rejected. Now we got this bearish engulfing candle. If we can break right here, this low right here, then we could potentially come down to here. Okay, so we'll focus on this a little bit. Nasdaq should be pushing a little bit. Okay, so Nasdaq is coming. Lost that support, guys, coming right back down here. So Nasdaq, see how they flipped it now? Oh man. Okay, so I'm watching. We got 2 minutes left on this candle. I want to see this US 30 candle close down here. If it can close with some volume, then maybe we can push down again. Tough markets today, guys, so don't force trades, guys. Sometimes the markets can be really, really volatile like this, especially during these US sessions. So just, careful, guys. That's why this is a education platform too, guys. I want you guys to learn, okay? Take away from this, guys. The markets are open 24 hours, 5 days a week. We don't need to rush trades. If it's not there, it's not there. I'm not going to fight the gold coming down when it's coming now. Okay, so now this is a different story. If I start to see some buying momentum at the daily support, that's a different story. But I want to see some volume here from buyers. I got to see something. Wow, gold could reach 1600 by the end of the year. We'll see, man. We'll see. I've seen crazier things happen. Oh man, Tenge and Annabelle, thank you very much for everything you bring. me on the trades. I try to follow you despite my deafness, and it remains very understanding. That's amazing. Okay, so if I can help deaf people understand how to trade, that means a lot to me. So hopefully you're following the candlesticks. I know you can't hear me, but hopefully you're following the candlesticks, and then you can see these entries I have with these boxes. So that's amazing that we can also help deaf people learn how to trade. That's awesome. Holy guys, okay. So let's keep an eye on Nasdaq. If it breaks below here, 15,444, we could potentially see Nasdaq going into a short here. The news will affect everything. The news will affect cryptocurrency as well. Absolutely, absolutely. The U.S. dollar it pegs everything. Okay, people are buying the U.S. dollar. Like look at what crypto is doing. Okay, we're not trading crypto today, but we're gonna do that, guys. We're gonna have scalp sessions. Oh, just to let you guys know, I got an email. I got an email last night from Fusion Market Brokers in Australia, the broker I use. Starting September 18, they're gonna have 24/7 weekend trading cryptocurrencies. So I placed it right here. You guys can see right here. This was the email. Excited to have 24/7 crypto because I just had it from Monday to Friday. There's going to be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Stellar, Polkadot, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Binance Coin, Chainlink, EOS, Dogecoin, all 24/7 trading and very good spreads, guys. My spread on Bitcoin is about 2.3 pips. So Fusion Market Brokers, if you guys are interested in a really good broker, they're based out of Australia. The only thing, guys, they don't accept US residents right now. Okay, but hopefully we can fix that. They're in the works, but that's that's legislation, that's regulations with the US. That's a whole different story. Okay, guys, look at the US 30. Okay, so US 30 looking good here. Nasdaq going opposite way. Nasdaq, okay, coming down here. Nasdaq sell. Yes, it's regulated. Yep. Okay, so this is a key area. Remember here, I identified this area as the supply zone all the way over here, and then we broke above it. So now this should be a demand zone. But if we can break here, US 30 is going to have a really nice drop here, guys, okay? No, I'm based in Ontario, Canada, but we use the Australian broker Fusion Markets in Australia. Do we trade silver? Yeah, from time to time we trade silver as well. Nasdaq, guys, is bearish. Okay, so look at Nasdaq. Broke that area 444. It's coming down, guys. Okay. Nasdaq is coming down. US 30 looks like it's coming down. Okay. So why is this happening? US dollar is continuing to pump. We might visit 93 today on the US dollar. Gold is garbage today, guys. If you're not in a short, gold is shit. Irona, you're in Ontario? Ah, nice. That's amazing. Yeah, Super Data Wolf, you're Toronto. We're London, Ontario. You guys are Toronto, so not too far away from you guys. Hamilton, ooh. Who's from Hamilton in here? Arona. So we got London, Toronto, Hamilton. So we got Ontario in the house representing here. Do we trade oil? We can. We can trade oil. Guys, we can trade whatever you want. If it can be put on a chart with candles, we'll trade it. You got to join our Zoom sessions. We trade everything in there. Yeah, guys, put in the chat where you guys are all from. I see Germany, I see Brampton, I see Pakistan, I see London. Nice. Um, India, lots of love to India. South Africa, we got a big crew from South Africa. Quebec City. Um, Awesome, 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 guys. If I can't see where you're from, Nepal, everything, Qatar, India, Peru, wow, Egypt, UK, Botswana, Mongolia, Montreal, Indiana. Look at that, love it. I love the culture, guys. I love it. Philippines, Mongolia, amazing, amazing. India, Nepal, Tunisia, India. Look at this, Botswana, Iraq, my man. Everything, Germany, Greece. Corfu. Oh man, I'm Albanian, bro. I go to Saranda Samil every single summer. I'm very close to Corfu down there. Antarctica, India, amazing. I'll visit India. Dave and I were gonna visit India when all this COVID shit is all over. We're gonna visit the world, guys. We're gonna visit everywhere where all of you guys are from. We'll trade with you guys. Hungary. I love it, guys. I love it. I love it, guys. Okay, but we're gonna get back to trading, guys, because we're leading into 9:30, guys. We're leading into 9:30. So let's see what's going on. Okay, so gold. It's okay. We're building a little bit of a base on the bottom. We're building a little bit of a base. Okay, so hopefully we can get some. Maybe 9:30. We're gonna swing around on gold, guys. No, I'm not Greek origin. I'm Albanian, bro. Albanian blood. But we live close to down there, southern Albania, Saranda, Samil area, very close to Corfu. Greece is beautiful down there too. Nairobi, Sri Lanka, everything. I love it. I love it. Don't come to Australia. It's boring. I don't want to come to Australia because it's a 24-hour flight. Number one, it's just too long. But Australia is beautiful. No, the Zoom session, guys, is when you join our mentorship team. It's $1 a day, $1 a day. But you get tutorials, you get live webinars, you get the Zoom sessions, you get the full mentorship with Dave and I and the Sniper team. So it's if you want, it's good value, guys. Last night we went for almost 4 hours during the Tokyo Zoom session. We collected a lot of pips. This was from last night's Zoom session. These were the trades I took. I took a look at the sell, guys. I had to sell from 17.95 right when the break happened. I took 166 bucks. I should have held it, 16, 17 pips. And then I also shorted US 30. I took 3 multiple sells. Started to break down at 8.39. I grabbed it. When I saw it break again, 8.28, I hit another 2 multiple orders. That one was 260, 150, 150. This was all live during our Tokyo session. So we'd love to have you guys join us. Yeah, how can you join? Just visit, guys, our website right here, www.stocksnipertrading.com. This is our website. I'll go over this at the end of the call, but visit our website and you can sign up right there. This is our website, stocksnipertrading.com, and you can visit, you can sign up there, guys. We'd love to have you on the team. We'd love to get to know you guys, and you guys can trade with us. It's a different, when we're trading with Zoom, guys, you can unmute your mic and you can talk with us, guys. You can ask questions. If you're in a trade, we can analyze the trade. We can give you guys a little bit of feedback. We're taking live trades. Last night was awesome, guys. I would have gone all night, but I had to get a little bit of sleep to do this New York session. But we'll do multiple sessions. Weekend trading now, guys. I just showed you. Fusion Markets has crypto trading 24/7, so we can pop in on a Saturday night in a Zoom session and trade cryptos. You know, we could have 7 days a week trading. Okay, so you see why this supply demand zones. You got to learn what supply demand zones are. This was our webinar we did yesterday on supply demand zones. So over here, the reason why I identified this area, it's supply. It's a resistance area. Every time price is trying to get up there, it's getting rejected. We all know what supply and demand is, okay? Supply and demand is, just think of your gas prices. If there is a lot of demand and there's not enough supply, then the gas prices will go up. If there's a ton of supply, then gas prices will go down. So we got to think of that same thing. If we're trading US 30, if we're trading gold, if we're trading Bitcoin, supply and demand will tell us where price action will go. So here it was getting rejected at a supply zone. There wasn't enough demand, it came down. Now US 30 broke above the supply zone, so now it's a demand zone. So see here how we came down. It was really nice and bearish, but it got held down here because there's demand now. This flipped from supply to demand. Now we're getting a bullish engulfing candle come right back up to maybe test this daily resistance area. If we can break above there and hold, then US 30 is going to continue to run today. But if it continues to pull down and they cool off these buyers and we break below this, then we'll see. This is where we'll see if US 30 can drop for possible sell entry down here, 838. Next Zoom meeting is tonight. Tonight, Tokyo sessions. We do all Tokyo sessions and bonus London sessions in the Zoom room. Is it 18 plus? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? We're not pornography. This is we're Forex trading. 18 plus, 18 plus. Yeah, thank you. Lost Soul. He's in our group. He says it's an awesome team and only 30 a month. I've been on it for 3 weeks and in profits and learning so much. Thanks, bro. I appreciate that, man. Um, oh, Suave, you're 14 years old, bro. Oh man, you're a gangster. 14-year-old trader. Holy shit, bro. That's serious. Um, take your time. You're only 14 years old, man. Take your time. Oh man. You got to contact your broker to find out if they're going to accept. I don't think they accept 14-year-olds. I think minimum you got to be 18 years old, okay, to trade with a broker. But man, bro, 14 years old, man. I thought when I started at 18, I thought that was young. 14, just trade with a demo account, bro. Learn this, and by the time you turn 18, you're gonna be a killer in these markets, bro. And I'd love to mentor a 14-year-old, man. Just join in on our YouTube calls, bro. That would be crazy, you know. I'm teaching my son at 10 years old. I'm going to get him to do a New York live session one day. I'm going to put my 10-year-old son here, and he's going to trade with you guys. Start them young, guys. Start them young. Our school systems don't teach our kids this. They don't teach financial education. They don't. They don't teach you how to pay a mortgage. They don't teach you how to pay your credit card bills. They don't teach you how to pay your debt. They don't teach you how to invest your money. They don't ever teach you anything that what's going on the stock market or candlesticks or shit like that. Hell no. So that's why we want to be the financial education to you guys. Wow, 47,000 in a demo account learning for 1 year. Respect, bro. Respect. 14 years old, man. That's awesome. For normally 14-year-old kids are just playing video games, you know? So don't waste your time with video games. Learn candlesticks, learn price action. Man, by the time you're 18 and you're ready to go, oh man, you'll have so much knowledge. It's going to be unbelievable, bro. I want to follow your journey, bro. I want to be part of that. That's respect, man. Okay, guys, so let's just go back to gold. Let's see, this gold it's a pain in the ass. Okay, gold, guys, for real. Gold is, unless you're in the short, you're loving life. But if we haven't, if for guys like me, I'm not even in a gold trade, I'm just waiting patiently, patiently, patiently. It's now at the daily support. So, when I say demand zone, this here is the demand zone, okay, on the 5 minutes. So we should see a little bit of some momentum coming up on the buyers, okay? I guarantee you this might happen like after we end the call where we'll see gold reverse. But I'm going to continue to follow these areas. Okay, these spin top candles are not helping. All this indecision down here, it's not helping anything. Okay, we got to start to see some volume. We got to start to see some bullish engulfing candles come up here. Can start to see the RSIs moving a little bit. Okay, it's coming up now to 18, 19. All the way how low we were down to 10, guys. Okay, RSI was down to 10. Thaddeus, you're 96 years old and started when you were 75. Please tell me that's true. If you're 96, that's amazing. We got a 14-year-old and a 96-year-old. Just shows you age don't matter for pips, man. No, no, no. It doesn't matter your race, your religion, your age. It doesn't matter. Pips are pips. Okay. Everybody wants pips. I don't care if you're 14, 96. It don't matter, guys. Collect those pips, guys. Pip and dip. I'm gonna be 96, pipping and dipping. You know, hopefully I'll be live streaming with you guys when I'm 96 years old. You know, we'll be getting pips. We'll be like in an old age group, old age traders. Pimps and pimps. Yeah, man. I love it. I love it. Guys, you're never too old to start trading. Never. You know? 450 viewers, guys. Amazing. I love it. And we're leading in, guys, 5 minutes. We're going to be into New York Stock Exchange. So get ready, guys. To all my people, let's get ready, okay? So far, we didn't have too much on gold since 8:30. Not much. Just continue to drop. But hopefully we can build a base here and maybe we can rotate back up. If not, I'm gonna maybe get into a sell and start hammering gold down. I've had enough of this. Okay, and US 30, okay? So I want to see US 32 here. Maybe we're going to get a nice drop at market open, 9:30. Watch, guys, for the break here, 8:38, okay? Yeah, so real quick, my setups, okay? So I got supply, demand zones. If price comes down here, I like to see price come down, volume come down, not just like an impulse candle. I like to see volume close below key areas, a retest with confirmation, and then I enter into a trade. But that's just real quick. If you're new here, just watch a few of our YouTube videos. You'll kind of see the way our style, how we trade. And guys, if you want to join the mentorship team, we'd love to teach you guys how to trade. Yeah, Shane, listen to Shane, guys. Do not blow your accounts in 5 minutes, okay? Listen, there's going to be extreme volatility in the next few minutes. It's New York Stock Exchange, Wall Street open. The stock market is opening up, okay? So we're going to have some crazy volatility. So if you guys are in trades, man your stop loss. If you guys are not in a trade, just if you do get into a trade, minimal lot sizes, guys, micro, nano, small lot sizes. Do not over leverage your accounts during this time, okay? This is not the time to be gambling, okay? For real. This is the time where you got to trade very extremely patient, very smart, okay? Because they're going to throw a lot of head fakes at us. They might show that US 30 is going to break down, and then we get into a sell, and then boom, they pump it right back up. Lots of head fakes happen at this time, okay? So just careful trading. Nasdaq, it's coming down bearish as well, okay? So it's breaking down, it's holding. Nasdaq could be a sell as well, okay? So let's see what's going to happen. Gold, what is gold doing? Gold is doing absolutely nothing down here. Gold, I'm not even going to watch gold at 9:30, guys. I'll be focusing on US 30 right now. Paul, thank you, bro. I like that. These lives are beast. Much love from UK. I love it, guys. Also, we'll do those London sessions because I know you guys, the time zones and things like that. But we do it all. We stream London, we stream Tokyo, we stream New York, everything. We also do like a folder news intraday. If we got red folders or if Powell is speaking FOMC news at 2 p.m., we also stream those. So, guys, lots of good stuff going on. Yeah, we can use Fibonacci retracements. I love Fibonacci's. We use those. We had webinars teaching our members how to properly use them. But yeah, Fibonacci are very good support and resistance tool, retracement tool. They're very good, very accurate too. 1 minute, guys. Let's get ready. Okay, so let's get ready. Gold. Oh man, gold is just going bearish, guys. Okay, so We'll keep an eye on US 30 at market open. Just careful trading, guys, okay? Be careful. Do not over leverage your accounts, guys. We got 35 seconds till fireworks, okay? So get ready. And then we'll look for a direction that they're going to take it, and then we can trade that. But also, guys, if it pumps above here, okay, that could be another buy up here, above the daily resistance right up here. Okay, so they're bringing it down, guys. They're bringing it down. 10 seconds. Here we go. If it breaks here, remember, this was a demand zone right now. It's a demand. We can break down there. This could fall a little further. Okay, here's the, wow, look at this bullish candle. Holy, okay. So it's real quick. It's real quick. It's fast, guys. Okay. They're testing up here, okay? They want to break it above there. That's that daily resistance, okay? It's getting rejected, okay? So that was initial pump, it got rejected. It's only 30 seconds into the candle, guys. Lots of volatility, lots of volatility. Nasdaq, everything is moving crazy, guys. Nasdaq is dumping, guys. Nasdaq is dumping, okay? Guys, that was the Nasdaq dump right there. Dropped 444. Oh man, I missed it. I missed it. I'm on the wrong trades, guys. Okay, so our next daily high right up here, daily resistance, 34,925. Holy, okay. This is a bull candle, okay. So you see how it broke? It broke that daily high up there, okay. So we're testing up here now. Unbelievable, my goodness, guys. US 30 is a monster. Gold is a disaster, guys. Gold is just breaking down, okay. Forget about gold unless you're shorting. Nasdaq, okay, look at the long range candle. It came all the way down there, guys, but that's the volatility, guys. That's the volatility. Craziness, guys, craziness. See, this is New York Stock Exchange. This is the first 5-minute candle, guys. This is the first 5-minute candle. This is how crazy these sessions are. I wouldn't recommend buying up here, okay? Because you're buying at the top, guys. The break was right here. I told you guys where what. Wow, holy shit! This thing is a monster. Look at Nasdaq reverse, guys. This is crazy, crazy volatility. Okay, that's why this trading is not for everybody here. Okay, sometimes it's just you got to relax here. This is insane. When I'm looking at my phone, I could be getting in trades. I'm also looking at spreads. I'm also getting texts from buddies. I got a lot going on here. um, but I know when I get quiet and I'm looking at my phone, guys, don't always just think I'm getting in trades, okay? I'm doing a lot of things here. Um, but don't, oh man, this is unbelievable. Okay, so they pushed it down. Finally, we got our 5 minute candle to close. Okay, so let's make some sense of what just happened there. They pumped it up all the way up to 34,962. They closed the volume below now the daily support, and now it's dropping a little bit. Okay. Okay, so the broker that I recommend and that I use is Forex Fusion Markets out of Australia, guys. That's the broker we use. I can't comment on any other brokers. I don't know too much about other brokers, but that's the one we use. This is insane, guys. Insane, insane, insane. Guys, beautiful red candle dropping reversal. Excellent. Okay, guys. I was in that red candle a little bit, okay? So, guys, I did get in a trade myself. You know, I waited quite a bit for this, guys. I'll post it, guys, just to show you guys that I am trading. Sometimes when I do get quiet, I'm in a trade here. Sorry, guys, just 1 second, 1 second. I got a few people messaging me. 1 second, guys. Okay. So guys, you see, that's why you gotta wait just a little bit, okay? Allow the initial pop to happen, first 5 minutes, and then let's observe and see what's going on, okay? Gold is just dumping. Holy shit. Gold is gonna come down, guys, to our next 1752. 1752. We maybe will catch a reversal at 1750, but our indices are the ones that are moving. The Nasdaq is just ridiculous, okay? So this thing, it's all over the place, all over the map. You got to be quick scalping Nasdaq. US 30 looks a little bit cleaner. Okay, it came up, then we had it close below. This gave me a good indication that it closed below here, and then we got rejected and came down. So I'm gonna post in the chat, guys, the trade I just took. Okay,
Guys, thank you. 430 viewers. I appreciate you guys. So I just posted, guys, if you want to join the free Telegram group, it's pinned at the top of the chat. This was the trade I took, guys. Okay, so right here, I started to short it at 34,890, around that area that I targeted, 34,900. I took the first one down for 35 pips. Okay, $348. I took another one as it was going down, 897, back down to there, 338. And then I took another one as it was breaking 878 down to there for quick pips, another. So that was for $834 on those three trades in a few minutes that I just made. Okay, so I waited for that. And here, I started to target when it started coming down there, when it broke the 900, that psychological level. I grabbed that sell down to that bottom of the wick, and I grabbed my profits because it came down, and look at it, touched down the yellow line. That's my next daily support. So I don't get greedy, guys, because I know how these things can move. So you can come in and then in 2-3 minutes make $834. I'm out, guys. That's my pip and that's my dip, guys. You can't get greedy on a market open going this volatile, okay? Because it could come right back up and go just right back. Okay, look at it now. They want to really start to move it. Now we can start to do a few things here. But guys, that was when I got quiet there a little bit. I had people texting me and a few things, but I got into a trade right there. So with fusion markets, these are not 10 lots. This is like a standard lot they have, but this is like $10 a pip, $10 per pip. So this one dropped 35 pips, 350. This one dropped 33, 34 pips right there. This one dropped like 15 pips. Okay, but now it's coming down. So now I'm going to target other key areas if this thing wants to fall. Okay, so if it breaks below here, 875, we could potentially come down to 841, back down to this demand zone. It just takes practice, guys. How do I know when to get into a trade? It just takes practice, guys. Practice. Like I didn't start trading last week. I've been trading 20 years, guys. Like you just gotta, and you guys gotta go with your gut. That's what I was telling guys on the Zoom last night. Because they're saying they're too patient, they're missing out on trades. Once in a while, guys, you got to go with your gut feeling and just go with it. If everything meets your criteria, you've done your work, it's consolidated, you got some confluence, things like that, you got bullish divergence, you got it's closing above a support level. Sometimes you just got to go with it, put your trade in, hit the trigger, place your stop loss, and just go with it. Sometimes you got to do that, okay? Don't second guess yourselves. If you guys have good charting, then you can learn. But guys, today was honestly a really difficult day to trade these markets. It was not easy. Okay, you see, that was the first trade I took all day today. It's been what, an hour and a half into the call, and that's the first trade I took. I'm very selective with what I take. I don't just jump into anything. But to me, that was a nice trade, real quick. $830. That's more than my daily goal. I'm good. So that's all it takes is just be. Aaron's a monster, man. He's an FTMO funding talent monster. Another 2,200. Congrats, bro. That's amazing. He is on our sniper team and just killing the funding talent. Okay, guys, so look at where we just came down. I don't even want to look at gold today right now. Like, it's just disgusting. It came down to 1751, guys. Our psychological level is 1750. Are we going to start to get a bounce? I want to get in a buy. Believe me, guys, I want to hit a buy and just put my stop loss below 1750 and just see what happens. But that's not like kind of the way I trade. I like to trade with a little bit more confluence. But if I'm feeling it, I could go into a buy and just place my stop loss below 1750 and just run it. But I'll go a smaller lot size, something that I can just hold for a little bit. But again, it's still bearish. I want to get into a buy, but it's not confirming anything for me. Nasdaq is ridiculous. Okay. Nasdaq is wow. Okay, Nasdaq huge. That's the 930 candle, guys. I tell you guys, relax on the 930 candle. If you guys don't feel comfortable trading the first 5-minute candle, don't trade it. See the next candle. What they did was they brought it up here, rejected. Next candle brought it up there, rejected. You could have got into a sell, shorted it down like how I did with the US 30. So the US 30, they pumped it up here as it was coming down. I saw it come down, rejected there, and then I took the sell down there. And then it came down again. It's filling the wick coming down, you know. But it's moving very, very fast. I was in 3 trades. So mine is moving really, really fast. So I got to get in and out, execute fast. But now we can start to make sense now. Now 15, 20 minutes, now the volume starts to make sense now. So now we're following here. This is a demand zone. If it starts to get some buyers here, this could rotate right back up. If we break below here with some volume, then we're going to see US 30 fall down a little further. Okay, and gold, let's go back to gold. Okay, so gold, we got a little doji candle. Come on. Doji candles, if you guys don't know what these are small range clue candles. So it's kind of giving us a clue that there could be a trend reversal. Okay, so this is a nice little clue that we have a doji candle down here. It might be reversing this bearish trend. Okay, and it might take time, but gold was like, look at what you're fighting. Okay, look at the daily candle on gold. If you want to fight this daily candle, you know, look at that thing. Like, this is, have you ever seen a daily candle look this heavy before? This thing is, you're fighting this. You want to be a buyer down here, you're fighting all of this selling pressure coming down. Okay, so think about that. If I know we're all excited, we want to get into a buy, but we're fighting all of this selling pressure coming down. Okay, this thing wants to break right here, and it wants to come down to 1742. Here's my next daily low right there. That's this pin bar candle right here. The date was August 12. That was the low right there, August 12. It might want to come down further today, down to 1742. Okay, so you're fighting this huge candle. If you go to the hourly candle, let's see what we're fighting. I know we want to be buyers. We want to get in for it, but look at, we are fighting all of these hour candles, small pullback, back down. This one didn't even have any, look at, there's no wick on the top, no buying pressure, all selling pressure. How do I want to be a buyer when it's right at the critical daily support level and I have an hourly candle coming down heavy? This thing wants to break, but if we start to see a little bit of momentum on the 5 minutes, like a little bit of divergence, maybe we can come in for 10, 20, 30 pips, but I'm not buying this red candle. You know, guys, don't even look at buying gold right now. I'm just telling you facts. You know what I mean? I don't want to see you guys just, if you're not shorting, then you're sitting on the sidelines. You're not a buyer right now. Hell no. That's why I went to US 30 and I was, oh fuck, I miss US 30 right there too, guys. Shit. See, I'm talking too much for gold that we're not even trading. Look at the US 30. I just told you guys, watch for that break, 841, and it's coming down. Damn, I missed that. Oh man, that was a trade I would have taken, man. 100% I would have been on this. That's what I was targeting all morning. That was that supply demand zone. Okay, so it just broke right there. 841. What a drop, guys. Oh my goodness. If I held my original position, holy shit, this would have been fireworks. But just the drop right there from this demand zone to where it just fell, 63 pips, additional 63 pips. Okay, so guys, be selective with what you're trading. If you see gold, I know a lot of us, we love trading gold, but if gold is a shitty day, stay away from it. Go to US 30. Go look at something else. Let's look at like GBPUSD. GBPUSD, we could have shorted GBPUSD with the strength of the US dollar. Look at, we're about to hit 93, guys. 93 is a big psychological level right up here for US 30, or for DXY, for the US dollar up here. Okay, so this is beautiful. For US dollar, good. I like to see this. The reason why I want to see this is because I was waiting for a market correction to come. And with the strength of the US dollar, we could possibly see the market correction coming. Awesome, guys. Good call, guys. Hopefully you guys learned too on this call, okay? Not every call is going to be just amazing. Pips are going to be flying. There's going to be tough sessions, but you guys are going to have these when you're trading. So it's good that you can learn. Learn patience, guys. Patience and discipline. If you can learn anything from me, learn patience and discipline. So like wow. Look at US 30, okay? So just corrected itself. Wow. Nasdaq. Nasdaq is just dumping. So the markets are dumping, guys. Why? Because our US dollar is strengthening, and gold is dropping. Okay, look at gold, guys. Holy shit, we just lost 1750. Gold is goodbye. And guys, do not buy on RSI. Look, we're back down to 10 on RSI. That means fuck all, guys. Okay, listen to what I'm saying. Don't remember how buyers come in at 30, 25, 20. You're getting smashed if you're one of those buyers. Okay. Okay, all you're getting is this green pullback, that green candle, that green candle, that doji candle. That's all you're getting, and they're continuing to smash this down. Okay, I just use RSI for strength and divergence. I don't use it to get into buys or sells. Okay, so if you're one of those traders, stop doing that. Don't just trade because you see RSI hit those levels. That means nothing. That means nothing. To market makers, if they want to continue to pump or dump it, they don't care for RSI. It's volume that matters, guys. These are all volume filled candles. That's why I showed you guys what it looked like on the hourly, what it looked like on the daily. You want to fight that trend? Good luck. Good luck. You're fighting a ton of money, you know? The reason for this gold drop is there was news, but basically is the US dollar. Look at it strengthening all the way from last. This was last night, guys. Okay, so this is where we charted it. Okay, over here, and then we've seen it break out of here. We're above the 200A on the 5 minutes now. So first time in a long time, we're breaking above the 200. We're breaking above key levels on the DXY US dollar. So we're pumping, guys. Look on the daily now. So they're putting money, they're taking rotating money from the markets, taking out of the stock market, taking out of gold, and they're buying the US dollar. Look at our US dollar daily candle. It's beautiful. Okay, so this is that key area I'm targeting, 93. If we can break up here, we're going I'm going to target 93.5, 93.5 up here. We do our weekly analysis on Sunday nights, guys. I have all this charted. I always do my homework on the US dollar. I'm always following this. Always, guys, make sure you guys are doing your analysis on the US dollar. Okay, with whatever you're trading, it does not matter what you're trading. Nice bullish US dollar. If we're trading the pound dollar, it's bearish. Look at the daily, look at the pips right there. Okay, so the pound is just, you could have shorted this all day today. There's 70 pips. Euro USD should be very bearish. There's the daily candle dropping. USD CAD. I don't trade this pair too much. The US dollar is very strong right here, but the Canadian dollar also is strong dollar. And then you can see the daily candle coming down on Nasdaq. US 30 coming down. So how did it affect Bitcoin? Bitcoin is starting to go bearish on the daily. So German 30 is indecision right now. So see how it affects everything that we're trading. US dollar is very important, guys. It's what everything is hedged against. Okay, everything is hedged against the US dollar. Do I think gold will make a lower low on a higher time? Absolutely. Like there's how can I argue that big downtrend? That's a heavy downtrend. If you're looking, look at the 4-hour candles. Go to the 4-hour chart. Oh, this is US 30. Sorry. 4-hour chart on gold. Like, look at that big. Okay, you got the 4-hour candle breakdown. Next one, there's absolutely no push up. Boom, break. Next one, no push up. Boom, break down. Okay, so we're starting to get a little wick, guys. We're starting to get a little wick. How low did they drop it before we're starting to see something? Wow, this thing is crazy, crazy. They just dropped it to 1745, guys. Okay. Now we could start to see maybe a little bit of momentum, But if you're scalping this, guys, it could go right up to like resistance and come right back down. Okay. So, if we want to see a pop on gold, we've got to see it maybe get above this area. Okay. And then maybe we can take it up to here, 1757, and then maybe up to here, back to this resistance, 1760. like right up here. So that would be like, but we need to see it close with volume up here, not just come up here, get rejected, and then come right back down. Okay, we got to see a little thing, but I'm gonna wait up there. I'm not doing anything. Okay, I'm not fighting a falling knife. Hell no, you know. 1753 area, if anything. Philip, closing 80 pips on gold. Congratulations, bro. That's awesome. Nice short sell. Unbelievable. 80 pips. Good job, man. Get your pips and dip. You know? Oh my goodness. US 30. Wow. Okay. Okay, so let's get some new targets here, okay? Okay, so right here was demand. Demand right in here. We just broke below it. This is where we're going to have a little bit of supply up there, okay? Now it's dropping, guys, okay? Now it's back below the 200. Man, I wish I held that trade. I wish I held. That would have been $2,000-$3,000 for me. Okay, it's continuing, okay? But we could get a... Now I look left, guys. I look left to see where we could go down to. Okay, I look left, right there. If it breaks, we're going to come down to here. Okay, so those are kind of the levels. Guys, 5 minutes, it's going to be 10 a.m. Eastern. We're going to get a new hourly candle, okay? So if US 30 can push back up to this area, back above that supply, I could look for a nice little entry maybe up here, take it up to that 200, maybe back up to that 5-minute resistance right up there. So amazing, guys. 450 viewers. Thank you so much for joining me today in today's crazy session. I appreciate all of you guys. Thank you, guys. If I can get you guys just to like the stream, that's all we ask in return, guys, on YouTube. Just like, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. Don't miss out on our daily live trading. You get a lot of education. We're taking live trades. You've seen I took a live trade. That was my trade right there, 850 bucks almost right there. But I waited an hour and a half for that trade. You know, I could have got in a few more trades, but to me, $830 is good enough for me, guys. I don't get too greedy, you know. I get my pips and I'm done, and then I can educate you guys, okay? Because you see, I get quiet when I get into a trade. So if I just get into multiple trades, I'll be very quiet on here. You know, it's hard to multitask, guys. I'm trying to read all your questions, guys. I'm doing analysis. I'm charting. I got people texting me. I trade on my mobile phone. I absolutely hate trading on desktop. I made that clear. I even told the guys in the Zoom last night, I absolutely hate it. I'm a mobile trader. I love trading on my phone. I trade all over the place where I go. If I go to the school to pick up my kids, I could be trading on 1-minute candles. I go to the grocery store. I'm waiting to pay. I'm trading in the grocery store. I go to the bank. I'm trading, guys. All day, all night, I'm trading on my phone. So I absolutely hate desktop trading. I don't know. Maybe let me know. Do you guys enjoy trading on desktop, or are you guys mobile traders? Let's have a little poll. Are you guys desktop or mobile? Show me in the chat. What are you guys? Let's see here. My phone is 24 hours on. Yeah. Put in the chat, guys. Are you guys mobile or desktop traders? Desktop, both, yeah. Mobile. Laptop, both. Yeah, you guys. Yeah, okay. So if you're doing both, that's good. You know. But me, I don't know. Maybe I'm old school. I don't like computers, guys. I hated computers in school. I hate computers. If you guys know me, I hate computers. I love phones, guys. Okay, so let's just keep an eye on US 30 right here. If we can break and close above this area, we could potentially maybe see a push above. Keep an eye, guys, here, 34,774 area, okay, above this area. Oh man, call into the broker. Those were the old school days. Back in the day when I started trading stocks, I had to call the bank on the telephone. It took you 10, 15 minutes to go through. Do you know how much the commission fee was? $50 back in the day. $50 to run a trade. It was ridiculous, but that was the only way we could do a trade back in the day. Pick up the phone, call your bank, wait to get somebody, say I want to buy this, how many shares? $50 they charged you for that. Yeah, you love computers, but they're horrible to trade with. Yeah. Okay, guys. So just you see why I have not entered into a buy up here. See when it came up, no volume is closing up there. I got 40 seconds left on the candle. It got rejected. That's why, guys. Patience, discipline. Identify the key areas and just wait for volume, guys. Don't get faked out. Okay. Because if I bought that up there, 774, and then it came down to back down to that's a 30 pip drop, that fast. So guys, don't rush into these candles. Just relax, relax. Okay, what is gold doing? Okay, gold. We're starting to move on gold, guys. We might see something here. So let's keep an eye up here. 1753 area on gold. Okay, my spreads are less than one right now. So spreads are good on gold. Okay, we just closed that candle. Let's see now, next candle. Okay, so far again, we closed right up here at 1753.14. I'm identifying 1753.50 area. Now it's a bearish engulfing candle. So we're not looking for any buys yet, okay? We need volume to start to close in this area. What I'm looking for is something like this. I want to see a push up to come up to here, maybe an impulse to hit this wick, the rate up here. We get an impulse, and then maybe it gets shorted down, but we test this area for support, and then we can start to go up. Maybe it will retrace back a little bit, higher low, and then we continue to go up to here. That's what I'm kind of looking for on gold, but you see it's a bearish engulfing candle. So guys, that could have been just the pullback right now. See how it took RSI from 10 to 30, 28, 29, and then they're dropping it down. But what I'm watching also is this wick is a higher low, that wick is a higher low, so far this wick is a higher low. So we do have increased buying momentum. If I go to my 15-minute candle to take a look at what's going on 15, 15 has got a little bit of a wick forming, okay? Could be coming up, but it's still bearish body, guys. Still hard to get into, go bullish on gold right now. Still a lot of selling pressure is still coming down, guys. Oh man, you made 380 pips on a gold short in total today. Just had a trailing stop. Amazing, amazing. 400 pip day. That's like a lotto day. Congratulations, bro. Enjoy those profits, man. That's amazing. See, bearish engulfing candle. So I'm not taking no buys up there. But when I do, I'll be ready with volume up there, and then I'll look for 10, 20 quality pips. You know, you go a lot size that you're comfortable with and make those pips, guys. Um, so US 30. Okay, so US 30 again coming down. US 30. The market is dropping right now, guys. Okay, so the market is selling off. Nasdaq. Yeah, Nasdaq too. A little bit of a pullback, going bearish engulfing. Here is our daily support. Nasdaq is going to break there and continue to come down. Okay. But I'm done trading for the day, guys. I'm done. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's call, guys. Thank you. I'll continue charting for a few more minutes with you guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's call. If you didn't take any trades, if you took trades, just learn the volatility today. Today was a crazy day. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. It's not the easiest to scalp this type of behavior in the markets. It takes extreme patience, guys. Super Data Wolf, you and Raja Banks have the best streams ever. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. I look up to Raja. Raja's an animal, man. That guy is ridiculous what he does. I got a lot of respect for Raja. It's unbelievable what he does. Like the way, but he trades with heavy lot sizes. He's trading with 50 lots, 100 lots on gold. Like the guy is, but he has it. He's got millions of dollars in his account, and respect to him, what he does, but he takes losses as well, just like anybody else. I like how he's transparent. He shows his trade. He trades on the computer, but I don't trade. I trade mobile, guys. But Raja is awesome. I love how he helps out the poor too. That's amazing. That's what we want. That's what we're doing as well. As long as we can help out the less fortunate third world countries, that's our mission. That's our vision. He is all about that. I got a lot of respect for him for doing that too. Anyone that does that, that's respect. Yeah, Raja. He from Brampton, but he moved to Pakistan now. So yeah, but he was a fellow Canadian just down the highway from us. So yeah, I watch his stream. I really enjoy him. He's the one that really got me into live streaming. I learned from him, and then that's why Dave and we went to live streaming. So we have a lot of respect for Raja. Where's my Dr. Pepper? Not this early. Not this early. I got coffee this early. Dr. Pepper is for my Asian session. But guys, awesome session, guys. If you want to join the mentorship team, just give me one moment. You guys have been with me for over 2 hours. Just give me 5 minutes, guys, because there's scam groups out there. So please don't follow for the scams. They are copying what our Instagram page, our Telegram. They're saying that they are us. Listen, we don't accept Bitcoin. Okay, number one, we don't accept Bitcoin. That's bullshit. If they're accepting Bitcoin, okay, we don't accept Bitcoin. That should be flag number one. We don't take money from you guys to invest money. So they're claiming you give them $500 and they will return you $2,000, $5,000 in return. We don't do that. You guys know what we do. We trade live with you guys. We educate you guys. We don't invest your money, okay? So there's flag number two. Then they got algorithm trading. You buy into an algorithm, this, that. We don't do that. We don't do that stuff, okay? So careful out there. And look at the pages. They got 6,000 subscribers, but they have only 5 people looking at a post. So that should just wake up, guys. Any groups out there. There's so much scam out there on Telegram and Instagram. Just be careful, guys. These day and ages, there's so much scams going on. Don't get scammed, guys. If it sounds too good to be true, it's bullshit, okay? I don't need to tell you guys. You guys are all adults here. You guys know, except for the 14-year-old. You better not fall for that shit. The 14-year-old here. But the 96-year-old man that's here, you teach us. You're the wise man. You've been through it all. You tell us. What I want to ask you, if you're still on the call, the 96-year-old gentleman, what do you think about the market? What do you think about the direction? You've seen it all. World War I, World War II. You've seen the depression. You've been through it all. Tell us, guys. Listen to these guys. These old cats, they know. These guys have more knowledge than any of us on these calls. I love to talk to old people. I love it. Like anytime I get in a conversation with a 60, 70, 80, 90-year-old person, I sit back and I love to hear their stories. I smoked a blunt with an 80-year-old a couple weeks ago, and I just sat back and I relaxed, and they told me stories like I wouldn't believe how much knowledge they have. It's ridiculous. Like they really opened my eyes to really what they know. Relanj, președinte Shipie, Scalpers, fellow Albanian, bro. I love it. We're gonna help out our Albanian brothers too. Join the team, bro. We got Kosovo, Albania. We're gonna help you guys out. We're gonna change the world, guys. But this is our website, guys. I could go into stories about with the old man, but join the Zoom room, guys. That's where we get real. You can really know us. But guys, so this is our website, guys. This is our blog. Number one, guys. You want free content? You want free education? Join our blog. Okay, so this was what we just dropped right here. CPI US dollar red folder news. This was a trade we took live for 30 pips, $300. The psychology that went behind it, why I took that trade. This is all free content, guys, on our blogs. You can have, like Dave did one on EMAs, exponential moving averages, explaining it. This is a sample of our webinars, guys. If you want to watch it, it's like a 60-minute, 90-minute webinar. We did Bollinger Bands and Fib Retracements. I had someone ask me about Fib Retracements, but that's a webinar. You can see what we do in our webinars. And these are just all kinds of things we have here on the blog. Really good information, guys. Impulse candles, what are they? You guys ask on these calls, what are impulse candles? We kind of break down a little tutorial of what these are, A, B, C, D, giving a quick breakdown, teach you about these impulse candles, okay? That's what we trade. We always trade impulse retest candles, okay? We don't need the porn channel, okay? So webcams, thank you very much. We're talking pips. We don't need porn right now. We want pips. Yeah, so if you want to join the team, guys, $29.99. It's $1 a day, guys. $1 a day, less than a Dr. Pepper a day, less than a coffee a day. You get to learn what are pips, lots, leverage, spreads, slippage, different type of orders, buy limits, buy stops, sell limits, sell stops, how to properly place stop losses, whether you're scalping or you're going higher time frame, hourly, 4-hour, daily. We do webinars. We teach you guys how to place proper stop losses. And then introduction to candlesticks, guys. You have to know this. If you want to be a price action trader, you got to understand volume, open, high, low, close, what the wicks are, ranges, volume, bodies. Then we introduce all the different type of candlesticks, guys. Whole bunch of them, all the different candles you got to know. Then we go into chart patterns, breaking all those down, technical indicators, strategies. All of our webinars are uploaded to the website, guys. Tomorrow I'm doing a webinar for the snipers at noon, and it's a full question and answer period. We're gonna go 90 minutes of just questions. We go end of the week. Oh man, look at gold. I see you guys talking gold. Okay, so gold's coming into our zone up here. So we could get into a buy. This is the impulse candle, but also if you want to wait for confirmation, we got to wait for volume to close above. There's the candle close. We could look for a quick retest right here. Okay, see how it's coming down? Let's look for a retest. We want to see some buying momentum come in here and then flip up, and then we could push bullish on this, okay? And guys, I'm doing a webinar tomorrow, Friday at noon, and it's going to be question and answer period. So guys, if you've taken trades this week, you want a little bit of feedback. If you got questions about anything, it's a freestyle session. It's open. It's all questions, answer period. We're going to do that at the end of the week for all the snipers, guys. A lot of education, guys. A lot of education. It's real mentorship, guys. If that's what you're looking for $1 a day to get real mentorship, we would love to have you on the team, guys. The team is growing so fast. It's unbelievable, the growth of the team and how much knowledge is in there, guys. It's amazing. Guys, we're getting a little pump on gold right now, okay? There it goes, 10 pips, 15 pips. I'm in this trade, guys. Just looking when to scale out a little bit. Guys, I was going to end the call and you guys got me into another trade. Okay, so that was a quick scalp for me, guys. Oh man, I could sit here and trade with you guys all day, every day. Okay, guys. So see that quick scalp? I got in, I took it up to there, and it's got the bearish momentum coming down. I respect that, you know. So I got in, I grabbed some pips, you know, the pip and dip strategy, counter trade. I got in, it's right there. I bought at 1754.65. It filled me with my spread. I took it up to 1756, okay? For almost 14 pips, standard lot, there's my commission. There was another $140, okay? So today was $1,000 day, just on 4 trades, okay? So 4 out of 4 today, $1,000. But I wasn't going to take that trade, but and it couldn't continue to push, okay? So if I'm going to continue trading, I'm going to watch this, okay? So now this is a nice support area we got here at 1753. If we can hold this area now, then maybe short term this could start to be a little bit of a demand zone right in here. So we just got to continue to maintain volume up here, and then we can follow this area, come up to here, maybe a pullback, and then maybe it comes up to here, 1760. So if you guys are going to continue to trade today, just keep an eye on that. If the volume comes below here, then it's going to sell off back down in here. It might come back down to 1750 and revisit down here. Now it's a shooting star candle coming down. Okay, so remember, if you're counter trading, guys, just be careful. If you're learning how to come from down here and buy these, that's different. But this was just the key area break. Those are just quality pips, guys. I always call these quality pips, like 5, 10, 15 pips. 5, 10, you could look for these all day. I use the analogy like a baseball game, guys. Keep hitting singles. Singles are like 10, 15 pips. They keep adding up. They keep adding up. You can compound your account and load the bases, keep cashing in, keep cashing in. Eventually, you're going to hit a grand slam and you're going to get a nice runner that moves 20, 30, 40, 50 pips as long as it's breaking structure. But just think about it as a baseball game, guys. Keep hitting singles, whether your singles are 5, 10, 15 pips, keep compounding. They will add up. You'll grow your account slowly, you know. There's no get rich quick, but there is a get poor quick, you know, get broke quick. If you trade reckless, you're going to get broke real quick, you know. There is that, yes. Not get rich quick, there's get broke real quick. If you trade reckless, you over leverage. Guys, these markets are very volatile right now, so just careful trading, guys. I appreciate all of you guys. These sessions are amazing, guys. I love it. I could seriously go here all day. Soon we're gonna have long sessions, guys. With the snipers, we might go like Tokyo, London, leading into NFP news, guys. We might even do that. So show you guys how the markets move from Tokyo straight to London and then going into NFP New York, guys. Like the things that we're gonna do, show you guys, it's gonna be unbelievable. We're just getting started, guys. We're just getting started. Okay, so join the team, guys. You guys are like just come in when it's getting started. We're almost at 200 members. It's amazing, guys. The knowledge we have in there, the guys that are trading. We have one member, Jeff. He took a $500 account to $17,000. That's facts, guys. That's real money. $500, a small account to $17,000. That's respect, guys. If you can do that, I got more respect for people that can take small accounts, because anyone can go a funding talent challenge, get 100K and turn it into 110. Okay, that's only 10%, you know. But to take $500 and to grind slowly and make it to $17,000, that's respect, guys. That's huge. So we got a lot of knowledge on our team. We got Blair. Blair's our Mr. Divergence. He looks on higher time frames for divergence, for hour. He gives us breakdowns, and we get into scalping those. So guys, we work as a team here. Me, Dave, Blair, the sniper team, guys, all of our members, we work together, guys. It's going to be awesome. When we're trading on the Zoom sessions, I could be looking at US 30 and Nasdaq and gold. Someone else could be looking at GBP USD and Euro USD. We could have someone else looking at USD CAD, someone else. So then we identify key areas, and then we go and we scalp them for multiple pips, guys. So that's what we want to do. That's our mission, our vision. We don't want 20, 30 pips a call. We want 200, 300 pips a call on multiple pairs, guys, and just have fun. Last night was such a fun session. None of us wanted to go to sleep last night. It was unbelievable, guys. How long did it take him to flip that 500 account? I'll ask him. Jeff, if you're on the call, bro, can you answer that? I don't know if you're on the call, but I'll find out and I'll let you guys know tomorrow. But yeah, he's a good, amazing trader, guys. You know, so it can be done, guys. There is people doing it, but it's done with patience and discipline, and it's done with proper risk and account management. I know a lot of traders, they need to learn that. It took me years to learn proper risk management. I was over leveraging. I was going crazy, guys, you know, but just trade smart, guys. You could have a good week where you get consistent gains, and then your ego goes up here, and then you go higher lot size, it flips on you, and then you can wash away your entire weekly gains in one trade. And just psychologically, that messes you up. It's hard to recover from that. If you keep hitting these singles, it builds your confidence. It builds your confidence. 10 pips here, 10 pips there, 10 pips there. Maybe we get a 20, 30 pip runner. They'll add up, guys. It'll build your confidence. It'll build you up as a trader. Believe me. That's what you want. And guys, triple threat trading. Learn technical technicals, learn fundamentals, and learn the psychology behind trading. Learn how market makers move, learn how the banks move the money around the markets, and then you're flawless trading, guys. But it just takes time, guys. And just put in the time, guys. This is a financial education with anything you want to do in life. If you want to be an electrician, if you want to be a lawyer, anything, you got to put in time, guys. Those guys put in time. Why do you think that you can't, you don't have to put in time to learn how to trade? You know, this is a financial skill that can change your life. It's changing a lot of our lives in the sniper group, guys, what we're hearing. So love to have you guys on the team. I'm going to wrap it up. Thank you guys so much. Over 450 viewers today. That was amazing. Maybe we hit 500 on our next call. Yeah, Kevin, I'll invite Blair. Blair was on the Zoom last night with us. Yeah. So he was on the call with us last night. So guys, everybody, enjoy the rest of your day, guys. God bless everybody. Thank you for joining, guys. Please like the channel, subscribe if you're new here. If you guys want, join the Sniper Mentorship Group. Just visit our website, guys, stocksnipertrading.com. This is our website. Don't fall for those fake Telegram, Instagram groups, guys. You know who we are. If you know, just feel them out. If they send you that, we don't send you guys anything. So number one, if they're messaging you, they're going through our contact list and they're messaging. They message my wife, okay? This is how stupid these people are. They message my wife to sign, like, do you understand how retarded these people are? Like, you want to be a scam artist, but you're so stupid. Why are you messaging my wife to sign her up for Stock Sniper Trading? Like, think about that. That's how stupid these people are. But hopefully the scam artists are out there and they're listening to me. You guys are clowns, okay? You know, that's how ridiculous you guys are. But, you know, our snipers are smarter than that. You're going to get exposed. Guys, just report them. Let's shut them down, okay? We're legit, we're real, we're transparent, no bullshit here. We tell you like it is, you know. Sometimes we speak the truth, you know. Sometimes traders don't want to hear that, but you know, if you got to learn the hard way, you got to learn the hard way. This is trading, guys. No one said this is easy. But thanks, guys. Take it easy, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your morning, evening, night, wherever you are around the world. God bless everybody. Stay safe, and let's get back at this tomorrow. And guys, just keep an eye on DXY, US dollar. If we can break above 93, guys, this is a huge, huge psychological level, 93 for our US dollar. So let's see what happens up there going forward. But guys, take it easy, everybody. Appreciate you guys. Take it easy. Good day, guys. Peace out.